Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a Lucky Luke comic. I'm not gonna tell you this comic name. Guess which comic is this gonna be? This comic is from Books Vegan in Spain. Uh, this comic came in blue.com. It came yesterday. I read it today. This comic is imported from Spain, first published in Britain in 2010. And this comic is Lucky Luke 26, the Bounty Hunter. This comic is very interesting. You should read it. Original edition. Very amazing comic and very you should read this comic. Very amazing, interesting and laughing comic. I read this comic today. This is very new printing. Very interesting comic. You should buy. So that's for now guys. Bye and thank you for watching.